My daughter was born with a rare disease. It's called congenital central hypoventilation syndrome. It's a autonomic nervous system disorder with its most prominent symptom being lack of respiratory drive while the patient is asleep. As a result, they need mechanical ventilation, usually through a ventilator and a tracheostomy. In my daughter's case, it is a mask to breathe and to stay alive while they are asleep. It does affect the heart, the gut, and temperature regulation for the body, but its most severe impact is on the breathing response. Her life has been impacted. She tries to lead a very normal life. While she's awake, she's a pretty normal kid. While she's asleep, it's a different story. Every night we have to make sure she wakes up in the morning, because every time she goes to sleep, she just doesn't breathe. Other funny things about her, if she goes underwater in the pool, we have to remind her to come back up for air, because her brain does not tell her to do that. So it's been hard. She, unlike other teenagers, doesn't get to do sleepovers with her friends. If they do, they're at our house. She's a little bit ashamed to let people know what she has, so she tries to avoid it. She really wanted to do a sleepaway camp, but couldn't do that either because they wouldn't risk having her as a camper due to her disease. So as though she tries to be normal, it does impact her life quite a bit. It is really hard for us as parents because finding treatment is difficult. Finding doctors who know about the disease is very rare. Most of the doctors, when we used to take her to the hospital when she was little and sick, used to look at us like, what are you talking about? And they used to Google the disease, and we used to tell them everything we could about it so they could help our daughter. We would love there to be some kind of cure, some kind of treatment. At the moment, there is none. The only treatment is mechanical ventilation. So us as parents, and now as our children are growing up and becoming more vocal, we're trying to make sure that we reach as many people and make them aware that this disorder affects approximately 2,000 people worldwide at the moment, and we're trying to get as much information out there so that somebody will take up research on it and possibly find a treatment and maybe even a cure.